there! My name's Lexi and I was rescued from a dog home with my mum and my brother. I like it very much here. Gillingham's a bit skanky, but you can't be picky really. It's better than being in that dog home with all them dogs keep barking and barking. They were really getting on my nerves. But then I came here. It's not too bad. Sometimes they forget to feed me. Sometimes they forget to walk me. I can't have everything all the time. I had a friend once called Dave, but he got another dog. Anyway, I don't really know what else to say. I miss him. But I got my mom still and my brother, but they don't take me out much because they're lazy. But hey, like I say, everyone says I look like Harvey, the dog off the advert, but the thing is, I'm not Harvey, I'm Lexi, and I think I'm rather pretty, but people think I'm a boy. I'm not, I'm a girl. Why can't they just see it? My mum even bought me a pink collar, and when she walks me, they still say, "Oh, what a lovely little boy you have." And I don't like it much. I like being a girl, but no one understands that. Anyway, I was thinking about doing an act for Harvey. When he's not well, I could be his double act. What do you think? Anyway, I gotta go, 'cause, they might actually get dressed today and take me out for a walk. Bye there.